Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this simple white rhinestone look. So if you'd like to see how I created this, then please stick around. Right, so we've got two very important announcements before we start this video. One, this bruise is because I finally got my lips done, so you're not going to hear me complaining anymore. Every single video going, I need to get my lips done, I need to get my lips done, they're done. So we don't have to deal with that anymore, which I thought we needed to announce because it is important that we don't hear me complain any longer. The second thing, I don't actually have a second announcement, I just wanted to start this video dramatically, so. As I said in the intro, we are going to be doing something pretty basic. I felt like being basic and glittery, I guess. I had another video I had to film. What was it? Oh, I have to do a review. Yes, okay. Anyway, first things first, I'm going in with the Goody Co Dream Serum as a primer because it is amazing. I need to be careful around my lips because they're actually quite tender. And I've got a massive blind pimple on my nose, or like under my nose. Look at the bruise. And then I'm going to use this roller, which I don't think it does anything, but I want to look fancy and I want to look like I know what I'm doing, so here we are. But I like it, you know, it's cold. Probably gets rid of the bags under the eyes, which I've got a lot of because my dog wakes up at 6:30 in the morning and I can't sleep at night because my boyfriend and my dog take up the entire bed and I'm left on the edge. So for brows, we are going to be taking the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown today because we're going to go a little bit darker. I need to get a new medium brown, it's so dry. Oh, it's actually kind of a little bit sore. And yes, my dermatitis is back. And no, I should not be doing makeup. Do I care? No, I never care. I am a rebellious young woman who doesn't take no for an answer. And also chats an unbelievable amount of shit. But if you didn't like it, you wouldn't have subscribed. So thank you for sticking around. Right, now that we've chatted shit through our eyebrows, we're gonna move on to our eyeshadow base. Also, I got P. Louise coloured eyeshadow bases and I'm gonna be doing them in a video at some point this week because I have been wanting them forever and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So I'm just taking my P. Louise eyeshadow base in 02. I'm just gonna just do that. I've come to the realization, but by the time you guys find out my interesting information, it's been like weeks. You know, by the time I go, yes, I finally got my lips done, and they'll probably be back to the way they were. I feel like all my videos turn into chit chat, get ready with me, because I don't shut up, ever. Even my grandma said on the phone, she's like, I don't know, I told her some form of story
about how my mouth, like the reason my filler fades in one side of my mouth quicker is simply because I have more movement in this side of my mouth when I talk. So I like fade this side, and I got Botox put in to like stop it from dissolving this side first.
And she's like, are you sure she didn't just do that so you'd stop talking? I'm like, yeah, probably. Probably. I don't know how I'm gonna do this look. Alright, first things first, we're going to be taking the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and we're going to be taking the white in the corner here. The shade is Sales. That's funny, I get it. Right, alright, cool. We're going to dip into Sales and we're going to do a reverse cut crease. God, you really can't do much with white eyeshadow, can you? Now that we have a white kind of thing going on, we are going to do eyeliner. And we are going to do it with the Stila, I've said this one millions of times, I should learn by now, Stay All Day eyeliner. We're going to do a wing, we're going to clean it up, we're going to add some diamantes and it's going to be So ignore my last product item. We are moving on to the Tarte's double-ended eyeliner. Is this a joke? This is a joke. I'm on my own. It works out in the end, Gary. And then we're gonna get some more white because white doesn't do much. And we're gonna go over the top of the white with white. We're gonna diamantify this shit. So I've got little diamantes and I have my eyelash glue and we're just going to glue diamantes all over my lid. We're gonna take just like a little paintbrush, and I don't know where this is from. Oh no, this is a Morphe M2501 brush. It's just like a little flat-ended sort of brush. Oh, it's a pointy-ended brush. And we're just gonna glue rhinestones to my eyes. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest, do the other eye, and we'll come back for lashes. See, I have rhinestones on both my eyes. Don't worry, you can't see because this bit's a bit too bright. Oh, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. So as you can see, there's rhinestones on both my eyeballs as we currently speak. And I've just put some lash glue on the table for some odd reason, but it went tacky quicker, so I was like, yes, let's do that. Quicker, same time, I don't really know, but it went really like a good tacky when I did it for the rhinestones, so I've just put it back on there. Should have just left it on there in the first place. So for once in the recent time on my channel, I'm actually going to do my lashes on camera to make a difference because I just thought you guys would be like, wow, Amber, you're a new woman now. So here we are, we're going to do some lashes on my channel, on camera. So I'm going to be taking the Uptown, oh, you can't read that because it's too swirly, but it's a lash collection from Model Rock Lashes. They're double layered is the word. We're going to put these bad boys on. You guys are going to watch me struggle, maybe get a little bit of a laugh out of it too. It's always the eyes that take the longest part in my videos, but I guess like most makeup tutorials are about the eyes, I guess. Because, you know, a lot of people are like, let's go for an extravagant eye look, and then sometimes you're like, let's go for a basic eye look, and then it's all about eyes at the end of the day. While the glue is drying, I guess everyone, just like myself, is sick to death of my neck and my chin not matching my chest. So I thought today we would grow as a person and tan my chest only with my 1-day instant tan. So we're gonna tan my chest that you can see and that will be visible in photos, and we will tan my hands so people think that I know how to match my skin. See, you literally would not even know that I haven't tanned if you didn't watch this video. If you just saw my photo and you saw like, yeah, if you just saw my photo and my hands and my neck, you'd be like, oh, Emma, you're tan and your face matches your hands. But in reality, the rest of my body is still white as a ghost. I am now the same color as my foundation will be. I'm going to take my lash scissors and I am going to put my lashes on. You know what else I've noticed? This. Why do I always get glue in this eye? I cannot see out of this eye now. This eye is more turned down than this eye, so like this eye lash comes down a lot more than the other one, and I'm not for it. I don't like it, but I don't know how to fix my eyes. And I also don't have the money. We just go with what we've got. And it's honestly probably just something I noticed, so let's not be too dramatic, shall we? For foundation, I am going to be taking the Tarte Face tape because it's actually gonna match my neck today. So, it's gonna be fun. meow, 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 meow. Can't tell if this is worse. I need natural lighting. That's my problem. I need a room that has natural light. So hopefully when Jake and I get our own place, the room I choose for my makeup room will be natural lighting as well. I thought being in natural light would kind of help my situation, but I'm wrong. For concealer, I'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. We'll just blend that like one little tiny bit in. I've done this wrong. I have found a new way that I like to do my makeup. I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Tan Tour and I'm going to be doing my contouring first. I'm really contemplating getting the darker colour in this just because I feel I need it. So it's a want, not a need. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm just blending this in. I just find it works so much better when you like contour first, because then you can go over it with your highlighter. I don't know. Then to set my eyes, well, yeah, the whole face actually, I'm going to be taking my Cover FX loose powder. It's translucent. And I'm just going to be taking a big fluffy brush because I am setting the whole face. So take my big fluffy brush and just pat it into the skin. Over the top of the highlighter, I mean bronzer kind of contouring that I did, I'm going to take my Hoola Benefit bronzer and I'm just going to go over the top of it to make it a little bit more snatched. Okay, let's do some contour. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Light to Medium, and I'm going to be taking this cool tone brown to give off the effect of a shadow. I'm just going to be taking it on this brush here, which is a Morphe E48. Under there, slightly. Just give off that like subtle contour effect. Now that is done, I am going to be taking the Tarte Partey blush and I'm going to be blushing my face up. And then to set my face before I do my highlighter, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Shimmer Spray. This is finishing spray for face and body. Just spritz it everywhere. We're going to go in with highlighter. Yes, queen. We're going to be going in with the Ofra highlighter Cloud 9. So it's the Nikki Tutorials collab. And I'm obsessed with it even though the dogs broke it. So I'm just going to be taking this and just patting it into the skin. Just going to glow. Like, I know it's full on, but like, oh, I love it. 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 Okay, like I love it a lot. But I don't want to use it for under my eyes. I mean under my eyebrows because I think it's a bit too much. So to highlight under my brows, I'm just going to take the Fenty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo. And I'm just going to take Hustler Baby. Is this not even a highlighter? Yes, it is. And I'll put a little bit in the middle. Probably can't even see it with this shitty lighting, but whatever. And then for lips, I am going to take Canoodle and outline my freshly plumped lips, which are sore, so I'm gonna have to be careful. And then for lipstick, I'm taking the Be Perfect in the shade Boo, because it's just beautiful and creamy. Just like that, but I want them to sparkle, so I'm going to be taking the Be Perfect gloss as well. Okay everyone, so that is the completed makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you would like to see more of my videos, then hit the red subscribe button to join my little army, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!